what inspired you to become a pilot?
आज की डेट में ये सोचने में बहुत डर लगता है कि अगर मैं पायलट नहीं होता.
But why not engineering and doctors? मतलब अगर मैं देखूं generally, so parents तो यही चाहते हैं ना कि उनके बच्चे like इसी लाइन में जाएं.
I always wanted to fly because कि जितना खुश मैं आज हूँ शायद उतना खुश नहीं होता. One guest was always, will remain in my memory. Who is he?
Is it true कि salary आपको एक time तक ही motivate कर सकती है? आप
You can do various other things also to earn so much of money.
before your flight or pre-flight, what are certain rituals or superstitions that you follow? Like कुछ तो आप करके जाते होगे अपनी flight से पहले.
Hugging my wife, for sure.
Okay.
It's a kind of mandatory rituals which we do, which every pilot does. And it was a midnight time, and our crowd was shaking like this, and he was clapping for me. Well, so absolutely, you guys have really saved us.
So hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Golden Epaulettes podcast by pilots for pilots. So guess what? Today with me I have Captain Devil Soni as a guest, and we welcome you, sir.
Thank you, Shristi. Thank you once again.
So he's a commander in Airbus 320, and today he will be, answering some of my curious questions about what a life or what a journey experiences of a pilot looks like.
Thank you, Shristi. And I will love to share my experiences to be an airline pilot. Definitely, yes.
Okay. So my first question is that what inspired you to become a pilot?
My inspiration was I always wanted to fly because when I saw the aeroplanes, it used to give me a goosebumps, Then travel across the borders, from point A to point B, and navigating, and my curiosity, out of like how does the aeroplane flies, and those airports, So I, and then the lifestyle of a pilot, good hotels, and and definitely a good salary also.
Okay, so these were some of the things that motivated you to choose a pilot career. But why not engineering and doctors? मतलब अगर मैं देखूं generally, so parents तो यही चाहते हैं ना कि उनके बच्चे like इसी लाइन में जाएं.
मैं हमेशा से ही एक कन्वेंशनल कोर्सेज करना नहीं चाहता था. मैं हमेशा से एक डिफरेंट लाइफस्टाइल, और आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू बी ए डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर्स, फ्रॉम माय बैचमेट्स एंड फ्रॉम माय नेबर्स. सो वो हमेशा से इच्छा थी कि कि मैं कुछ अलग करूं या अलग कुछ बनूं, और ऐसा ही मैंने किया. और मैं अपने आप को I really feel fortunate that I took that decision at that point of time, that and I chose to become a pilot, and that's how here I am.
So my next question is कि if you weren't a pilot, अगर आप pilot नहीं बन सकते थे तो which career would you have pursued according to you?
Sisti, it is a very difficult question and difficult to answer actually. और आज की डेट में ये सोचने में बहुत डर लगता है कि अगर मैं पायलट नहीं होता. बट अगर वर्स्ट के सिनेरियो सोचना भी है तो इधर आई वुड हैव बीन ओनर ऑफ अ कंपनी और अ फाउंडर, और मे बी एन सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर. बट वन थिंग इज श्योर कि जितना खुश मैं आज हूँ शायद उतना खुश नहीं होता.
अच्छा, और अगर इंजीनियरिंग और ओनर में से चूज करने को बोलो तो फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी क्या है?
Owner. Being an entrepreneur and owner.
Okay. So you have a business mindset also.
No.
Entrepreneurship skills.
No, but I am trying to build up those skills also.
Okay, that's great. So my next question is that what is the most important piece of advice you will give to someone who is an aspiring pilot?
I think perseverance. I think to become a pilot, the most important skills required is to have perseverance and being resilient enough.
Okay.
I know education, studying, books, flying, all these things will come. But good attitude, and keep a fighting spirit, and just keep working towards your goal. I think these are the skills which every aspiring pilot should have to become a pilot.
ओके सो लाइक अगर कोई पायलट बनना चाह रहा है तो अगर कोई आपसे मिलता है लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई वांट टू बिकम अ पायलट एंड आई वांट टू आस्क यू समथिंग कि क्या मतलब मेरे लिए क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है इन अ पायलट जर्नी लाइक व्हाट शुड आई फोकस मोर ऑन
I think सबसे पहले तो this the most important thing is to to do a passion check. You know, like a lot of students, they really want to fly, they really want to do a piloting, they want to become a pilot, but they initially or eventually they should really do a self check or a passion check, whether are they really passionate enough to fly, or they just coming in this field to impress somebody, or they just want to make so much of money, they just want to have a good lifestyle. So first be sure that you are passionate enough to fly, because later on that you should not feel this as a work. Otherwise then every flight will be a burden on you, and if you don't enjoy your work later, then this will be a big problem. So I would suggest every aspiring pilot to first do a self check, okay, and take some mentorship and just see, are you really passionate to fly?
Okay, because sir, the students that I have also talked to, so मैं उनसे motivations पूछती हूँ उनकी कि what motivates you to come into this field, right? So mostly say कि return अच्छा है, salary wise अच्छा है, and is it true कि salary आपको एक time तक ही motivate कर सकती है, आपको जब 3 बजे सुबह उठ के flight पे जाना पड़ेगा तो it is more of your intrinsic motivation, right? So it comes again from a passion.
So Shrishti, बहुत ही अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा है आपने, and I'm really thankful कि you have asked this question on this platform. अच्छा पैसा कमाने के बहुत से तरीके हैं. You can do various other things also to earn so much of money. This field, this flying profession, cannot be compared, or cannot be, I mean, like, the return is good or return is bad, If you are really passionate enough, then definitely the return is good. But if you're not passionate enough, the return is not good. So last में Shrishti, I would say कि there's a lot of way to earn money. But I think choose the way in which you like the most to earn the money. And if flying is the profession in which you think you like the most, then I think, then definitely salary, good money is a outcome of it. Okay. So I think you should do a reverse thinking. If you're doing what you really like or you're passionate about, then definitely the money will flow in. But don't think it other way, because of money, don't choose this field.
तो सर मेरा एक अगला नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है एंड पर्सनली आई ऑल्सो वांटेड टू आस्क टू अ पायलट ऑल्सो कि बिफोर योर फ्लाइट और प्री फ्लाइट व्हाट आर सर्टेन रिचुअल्स और सुपरस्टिशंस दैट यू फॉलो लाइक कुछ तो आप करके जाते होगे अपनी फ्लाइट से पहले
Hugging my wife, for sure.
ओके
And while I'm traveling to the airport, I mean, it's a kind of mandatory rituals which we do, which every pilot does. That we read our NOTAMs, we read about our flight plans and all the weather informations. So, these are also kind of rituals for us, which we have to
Exactly.
mandatorily do.
Okay.
Yeah.
My next question would be that can you please share one of your memorable experience while you were flying? Any?
Yes, I have a very interesting experience in my flight. And I do remember when I was a first officer and with my previous airline. So we were going from Delhi to Muscat. And in our previous airline, we used to have, we used to update a Jepson book. And we used to get those envelopes. And we used to, remove the older version of the charts. And we used to update with the newer version of the charts. So me and my captain also, at the same time, we both were, very busy in updating those charts. and it was a midnight time. All of a sudden, our aircraft descended, and our aircraft was shaking like this, dhar 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 like this, and both of us were literally trying to reach the FCU panel.
Okay.
Our autopilot got tripped, and me and my captain was trying to reach out to the autopilot button, but we couldn't.
Okay.
It was so bad. Then we realized, then after I think 15-20 seconds, we got settled, and the aircraft stopped shaking. And then we asked the ATC, and then we realized that there was a Airbus 380 which just crossed over us from top of us. So there was a huge wake turbulence, because of which we experienced a very heavy wake turbulence.
Yeah.
So, and the interesting part is, once we landed in Muscat, and when I was taking my luggage, one of the passenger came to me, and he asked me, "So what was that?" So I said it was some air pocket, which get undetected in our screens and all those things, and somehow we managed to save the aeroplanes and all of you. And that person was so amazed, and he was clapping for me. Well, so absolutely, you guys have really saved us. And then I told him, we undergo a lot of, rigorous training, and we do, we really, study a lot and all those things. We have a lot of equipment, systems and all. He was like, "Sir, definitely, sir. You have a job, and you guys are really trained." Because definitely, we undergo a lot of, rigorous training and all those things. But however, it was our fault that day.
So that's a very memorable experience.
Yeah, absolutely. It was our fault. But I somehow, he got convinced that, it was some unwanted or, undetected something which came, obviously, which could have been avoided. But that's how it is.
So I think that's also a part of, handling certain situations,
Absolutely.
So according to you, like, how would you handle some of the stressful situations or emergencies in the cockpit? Like, I would love to know that.
सृष्टि, सबसे पहले तो मैं पानी पीता हूँ.
Okay.
ठीक है. उसके बाद एक लंबी सी सांस लेता हूँ. उसके बाद देखता हूँ क्या हुआ है जहाज में.
अच्छा.
Right.
Okay.
फिर मैं हमारे एयरक्राफ्ट में we get an e-cam. So there are certain like memory items. वो situations हुई है. So then really we don't get time. So we have to react immediately. But अगर situations वो नहीं है, then I think we have a time. We have some time. Then I'd really drink water. And try to analyze what has actually occurred. And then as per the procedure, we follow the procedures. Based on the fault, we take the actions. That's what I do.
Okay, that's really nice. So sir, मेरा एक और question है, like personal question है वो, कि as you all you know that कि this is the era of social media. Okay, everyone is on social media. I think even अगर आप कोई celebrity भी देखते हो तो you want to click pictures with them and you want to upload it on social media, right? So आपके साथ ऐसा, अब जैसे मतलब फ्लाइट में तो बहुत सेलिब्रिटीज आते हैं ना, तो आपके साथ ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि यू हैव सीन अ सेलिब्रिटी एंड आपका मन करो कि नहीं अब मैं भी पिक्चर लेके आता हूँ, मतलब लाइक व्हाट्स योर एक्सपीरियंस?
बिल्कुल हुआ है. In my previous airline, yes, lot of celebrities used to travel in business class. So Sachin Tendulkar भी आए हैं, Rahul Dravid was also there. Many celebrities used to come, Priyanka Chopra also. But one guest was always, will remain in my memory. You know who is he? Khali.
Oh.
So far, my bestest guest of my life ever, or till now. Huge guy, such a down-to-earth person. And when I shook hand with him, it was such a lovable experience, I can't tell you. And when we took a pictures with him, we were like a Bona. You know Bona, na? Bona is... So I just felt like that.
He's actually that tall, right?
He's tall, huge, good built. And you know what? And what on top of it is such a nice person.
He's very grounded.
You know, very grounded, so humble, and such a lovely guest. I wish कि मैं कभी फ्लाइट में उनको एक बार और लेके जा सकूं. Yeah.
सो सर टाइम खत्म हो चुका है बट मेरे क्वेश्चंस अभी भी खत्म नहीं हुए हैं. मैंने लिस्ट बना रखी है पूरी अभी.
Okay.
सो बहुत मज़ा आया आपसे बात करके एंड वी गॉट टू नो डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स और एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑफ एन एयरलाइन पायलट टू बी ऑनेस्ट. एंड आई थिंक हमारी ऑडियंस को भी बहुत मज़ा आया होगा ये सुन के कि कैसे मतलब देखो सेलिब्रिटीज आते हैं तो वो भी जाते हैं, ऐसी बात नहीं है. सो टिल नेक्स्ट टाइम एंड अभी मैंने बाकी क्वेश्चन सेव करे अगले पॉडकास्ट के लिए. सो वी विल बी वेलकमिंग you soon in our next podcast. Till then, thank you so much, sir, for your time and for your honest answers to my questions. I am very happy to have you here today.
Thank you, Srishti, once again. And I'm so delighted to be here. And I wish you all the best and good luck for your future endeavors.
एंड अगर आपका कोई भी क्वेश्चन है जो आप पूछना चाहते हो एक एयरलाइन पायलट से, प्लीज़ कमेंट डाउन इन द बॉक्स गिवन बिलो and I'll take your questions and I'll ask them. So please, if you like this video, like and subscribe and stay tuned for more updates. Follow Golden Epaulettes.